Hey gang, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to do something pretty cool. I actually got one of these Vortex brand BBQ Vortex. We're just going to do some chicken wings. I heard this thing makes really good chicken wings as far as the heat management. And got another new rub to try out from Meat Church Barbecue. This is the Gospel All-Purpose Rub. It's got a little sugar, a little salt, paprika, garlic, little onion, a little celery. Good little flavor, y'all. So y'all come down here and let's get some of this gospel goodness on these wings. Just like that. Pretty color, huh, y'all? How you like that, man? Just make sure you get them good too. Pretty day to be grilling out today, y'all. We're gonna let them sit in there a little while and get happy. One more little shot, boy. Look at that. Smells pretty darn good, y'all. Alright. So what we gonna do is get the Vortex set up on the Weber. I'll meet y'all out there in a minute. Alright, let's grab our charcoal and dump some in our Vortex here. Just put how much you think you're gonna need. We're gonna put about that much. And I'm doing mine like this. I'm burning the oil off. You can dump it in the chimney and do it like that too, already lit. So indirect cooking around the outside here, radiant heat. We're gonna put our wings around the outside and let them go. Should be in good shape. Let's grab us a lighter cube here. And we're going to set that dude right in the middle. You can dig a little hole and put in there. You can just set it off to the side like this. And we'll light this dude up. And we're going to let it do its thing. And we'll come back and check on this in about 20 minutes. So we'll be back, y'all. Okay, look at that. Nice and ashed over. This thing is screaming hot, y'all. We're going to throw a chunk of hickory wood on there, put a little smoke on them wings. Let's put them wings on there, and I like to put mine facing all the same way. That way we get some even cooking. So, and we'll get that going. Except for that one I put on backwards, so we'll come back and get that in a minute. But just lay your wings out around the outside, and this thing is generating some serious heat, y'all. It's all concentrated into the center right there. This ought to make for some pretty good wings. I wasn't kidding about that. So, alright, one more. Now come back over here and let's fix this one so it cooks even with the rest of them. There you go. Get your legs straight there, son. Alright, so we're gonna got that straightened out, y'all, and we're gonna grab our lid and cover these up, and we're gonna let these go for about 20 minutes. Somewhere thereabouts, and so we'll let it do its thing. We'll come back out and check on it. I tell y'all what, this thing is bad to the bone, man. Y'all need to get one of these. You're gonna love it, I guarantee. All right, guys, let's check out some temps. About 20 minutes in. That's looking good. Looking good. It's smelling real good. Let's go and flip these over right quick, and we're gonna give the other side a little love right here. I'm really digging this Vortex, man. That thing is bad to the bone, y'all. I tell you what. Yes, sir. Plenty of heat. Nice heat management system right here. The radiant heat is unbelievable, y'all. Let me get my wings all turned the right way here. So we'll keep our cook going, but it smells fantastic, y'all. That gospel, meat church gospel, all purpose smells really good. So, all right, we're gonna let these go another probably 15 minutes or so. Lid on, still a little smoke. All right, y'all. These wings are done. Look at that color, man. It smells fantastic. Y'all check that out. That is so nice. Look at that little burnt tip there. Hot dog. All right, let's get these off and get inside. All right, y'all, welcome back, man. Them wings are done. We let them cool off for a little bit. And I did some garlic bread on there too. It come out pretty nice, huh? Let's grab us a little piece. I hear Gizmo back there fussing with Mama. Y'all come up here. Let's get a little bit of this chicken wing action here. Tell you what, that Vortex, first time using it, y'all, that thing is freaking awesome. I mean, look at the charring on the chicken wing. Very nice, and it directs the heat. I mean, just the induction from it or whatever, the indirect part of it. Man, you talk about basically, I used to put mine in the middle of the grate, you know, and then let it go like that. But this Vortex unit keeps everything contained in the center, and the radiant heat from the sides of it distributes it out, and it comes up and it comes back down, I guess more indirectly or directly, however you want to look at it, and it does an excellent job. So we're going to see how these wings came out. Get his little drumette there. Look at there. Oh, 170, 175. I'm cool with that. That's good. That meat church, all purpose. Man, that's good. Very good. Oh yeah, baby. I like that. In my opinion, I've been debating on getting one of these Vortex. I'm like, oh, I can do just as good putting it in the middle of the grate. Bull butter. I tell you, if y'all like doing it like that, get you one. I used my my ceramic coated grate. I got the heavy duty one with the removable center. And I did my cook, I let the center out. When I did my garlic bread, I put the center back in. You know, did it on the outside for about 10 minutes, and right at the end I took and I turned it face down on that center insert and got my little cross marks. But I did an excellent job, y'all. Anyway, I'm going to dish up, get out of here. Y'all have a great weekend. We'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.